To get a subdomain on Namecheap, start by logging into your Namecheap account and navigating to the Domain Manager section. Here you will see a list of all your registered domains. Click on the Manage button next to the domain you want to create a subdomain for. In the Domain Manager section, click on the Advanced DNS tab. This is where you will configure your subdomain. Click on the Add New Record button. Select CNAME record from the drop-down menu, and enter your subdomain name in the host field. For the value field, enter the domain or host name you want your subdomain to point to. This can be another domain or a hosting service. Set the TTL to a suitable value. This determines how often the DNS record is updated. A lower value means the record is updated more frequently. Once you have entered the required information, click on the Save Changes button to create the subdomain. It may take a few minutes for the changes to propagate globally, after which your subdomain will be active and accessible. It is essential to note that you need to have an existing domain registered with Namecheap to create a subdomain. If you do not have a domain, you can register one through the Namecheap website. Also, be aware that some hosting services may have specific requirements for subdomains. So it is crucial to check with your hosting provider before creating a subdomain. By following these steps, you can create a subdomain on Namecheap and use it to host a website, blog, or any other online service. Remember to always keep your DNS records up to date and to test your subdomain after creation to ensure it is working correctly.